Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we're going to talk about OpenTofu, and we already know that the Terraform has changed their licensing model, and now you don't have that complete free hand to use that Terraform in all the areas. And that's where the OpenTofu has formed as a Terraform open source community. And so they have been working hard for the last few months, and finally the wait is over. So today they have announced that the OpenTofu is generally available, and here is their website, and you can see here uh, so in their releases, so they're mentioning OpenTofu is generally available. Now if you go in, if you look into the releases, so a few hours back the OpenTofu has been released, and I'm just excited to just take a look like how it is going to look and all. But however, you'll not find much differences. So since it is a fork from the recent Terraform version, you will see most of the commands and things like that, everything is quite common. Okay, so the options to the command and the, I mean, the look and feel, everything is just Terraform by the way, so there won't be too much difference. So but anyhow, let's go and try out that particular product. So I'm just having CentOS 8 machines. I'll go with Red Hat family, and here I can see their installer. Okay, and I down they have some repo configuration, so maybe I'll just try this. I'll go and create these particular repo files on the server, and then we need to ultimately install. So what they're giving, so the package name is tofu. All right, let me try this and let it get installed. Finally, the installation is completed, and I'm hoping the package name comes as tofu. So yes, enter. So you can see the Terraform output, whatever you used to get it when you run Terraform. So the same command options you would see here as well. All right. So now let's go and try to create some couple of programs, and I would like to write a small program which is maybe a hello world kind of a thing. So I will just write a null resource, and uh, I would like to make a simple hello world kind of a thing. But also, if you observe, by the way, I'm just writing a .tf extension here as well, and so mostly it's Terraform, so there is nothing different. So I'm just going to write a null resource, and I'm also using the same syntax as like what Terraform used to provide in their registry from their plugins. Um, I'm just trying to use the same code, by the way. All right. So, but I'm just going to run with tofu. So, but let me see, even I'm reading for the first time, even I'm not quite sure. I'm just hoping that there won't be any differences usually. But let's give it a try. And provisional local exec, I'm just going to run command, maybe echo hello world kind of a thing. All right. So maybe they generally like, so to get the all the plugins, we do a Terraform init. So I'm just doing Terraform tofu init now. Yes, there you go. Yes, and we can see that it is still getting the HashiCorp plugins itself. And even I'm not quite sure, like later, how it is going to work with the Tofu and their plugins, how it works and all. I hope they definitely have some plan around it. So maybe we'll see more in the future. So maybe for now, they're just relying on the registry of Terraform itself. All right. So now let's go and give a same like Terraform apply. So here we're going to have a Tofu uh, apply as well. I'm giving auto approve. Yeah, so there you go, and you can see that it is actually running. All right, so more or less it is same, and you look into the state file also, the Terraform state file has came in. I did not configure any remote state file. It's just a local state file, and we can see that is all more of Terraform things. All right, I'm going to create another code, by the way. So now this code is going to be creating an EC2 instance, and writing and creating an EC2 instance is uh, so I have the credentials configured on this particular system. So that's where I'm just directly writing the instance configuration. Here is our final code, and so instance AMID, and I'm also providing instance type as well, and some general tags. So I'm running it. So Terraform apply. Now you can see that the instance is getting created. All right, so that's it. And it's great that we have some open source edition now, but however, you'll not see much difference if you want to use Tofu, by the way. And until the version 1.6, what all the features you have in Terraform, so those are completely available with OpenTofu as well. All right, so this is my first program, and really good to see the OpenTofu in action. And hopefully we see more videos around this in later sessions. Thank you very much, and see you in next video. Bye.